Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to contact SafePal support using your SafePal mobile application. To contact SafePal support directly from the app, first of all open up the SafePal application and log into your wallet. From the home page, tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top left corner, and from the settings menu, scroll down and tap on support. Inside the support section, you can go ahead and select a region while you are trying to contact the SafePal support from the drop-down. After you do that, go ahead and send in a request by entering your email address, select an issue from the Select Issue drop-down, and make sure to specify what you need help with. Enter the subject and description for your problem, and then, if possible, you can also add a file or drop some files in the text box at the bottom in order to provide more documents about your issue. Finally, tap on the Submit button at the bottom of the screen in order to send a help request to the SafePal support team. You can also contact the SafePal bot by tapping on the little question mark icon at the bottom right corner inside the support section. Then you will be able to contact the bot and ask them a question that you need help with. You will then be able to find all the necessary help related to your problem. So that's how you easily contact the customer support of SafePal within the SafePal application on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.